Hi everyone, welcome back to Living Up with Dawn. Today we're doing another investment diaries. I'm looking at the my portfolio, which is ridiculous right now. Um, Maybe not, but like I think for me, just because I've only been in this for I think a little over a year, but the bets that I made have been paying off like pretty well, especially NAMPAC. That's why I wanted to open this up because I saw my NAMPAC returns at least were above 100% this week. Yeah, they had 107%. So the share price has more than doubled since I bought them. And I bought them during a time when they were going through a lot. They needed to do they need to refinance loans, sell some business divisions, raise some capital, because they were having trouble with their Nigerian operations. So their share price like dropped quite significantly, and it's like growing still. I don't know if they released something this week. I need to check their sales announcements, but yeah, they're doing really well. Even my Pan African, they are 109% up since when I bought them. Why did I buy Pan African? Bought Pan African Resources because in my opinion, the platinum mining complex or commodity is like on a downward trajectory, and like gold, people store their wealth in gold, so and maybe protect the value of their wealth in gold, and in these uncertain times gold does well. So I did that, and it's like proving to pay off, so that's really good. And then the We Buy Cars shares that I got from Transaction Capital are like 94% up. So I don't know. I think something's happening in the market because this is not how it's been. So like after the elections, there was like a boost, and now there seems to be another boost, and I think it's the repo rate. Yeah, we've got 7 days. We've got 7 days until they announce. Is it? Do they do it on the 20th? I'll double check that for you guys. But we've got like this is September, and it's either September or November that they're going to cut the repo rate. So I think people are like gearing up because if they cut, then I think the market's gonna shoot. Because now it's like, okay, people are like, okay, now we're in a cutting cycle. And I mean, I don't think that's the correct way to think about it, but just seeing how these humans operate in this market, we take something and we run with it. So yeah, I think they're gonna cut for sure. Or at least I think people are anticipating a cut for sure, and that's why things are going like this. But I'm also anticipating a cut, so I don't want to wait until so it's on the 19th of September. I don't want to wait until then to then buy shares, because then if I'm not already in it, I can't participate in the upside. Like, it's impossible. Those things are gonna react way too soon. So I need to like figure out. I think I'm just gonna do like indices. I'm not gonna because it's riskier to pick a name. It's more, measured to pick an ETF or like an index, like the top 40, S&P 500, the all share, And for me, I feel like this, like if they do cut, it's gonna be a tide thing. Like everyone's gonna rise. But yeah. Other than that, I haven't really been much in the stock market. I've been focusing on the loans. They've been like slowly transferring over, so I'm excited to start seeing like more cash flow coming in on that side. And that's just purely like going down into my loans. Yeah. I'm so excited because it's like I've planned this in my head for so long. First, I was waiting for like the whole property sale thing to clear up and like not pay out. Finally got that, and then like it's been like a delay with the loans transferring over, but they're moving. So now it's like it's finally like it's coming, like it's here, like I can see it. It's around the corner. Um, yeah. Other than that, like what am I doing? Oh, I'm trying to. So I have a business outside of the property stuff and the investments, and it's been stagnant currently. Sales every now and then, definitely not back to pre-COVID levels, but I want to revive it, or at least I've been reviving it, putting out ads, but I want to find more free ways of advertising the business. So I've been working on that. I think also now because the loans are moving over, and I think I probably have said this before, but I want to now do a budget, like a household budget, so that I can like see where everything lies, see where I can like maximize payments and stuff. Yeah. Also, and interestingly, I met with a financial planner recently, and like we went through a needs analysis and stuff, and it turned out like I was overinsured, but I'm not. Like I overinsured myself on purpose in anticipation for things, and like those things are coming. So yeah, like that's cool. I do though want to like go into other investment products, but I think like the reason why I've been so attracted to the stock market as well, and like more on the ETF side of everything, is like it's less fees, and I control the price I exit at. Whereas like if I told my asset manager I want to withdraw, they withdraw, and like they also have like their cutoff times. They only, if it's before 12, like they're only gonna execute the next day. So like there's things like that. But like now, if I'm like, okay, I want to get out of the S&P right now, I can get out right now. My money will still take probably equally as long to get to me with the asset manager, but I think it's worth it that I have control over that price. And also like fee wise, I think ETFs are cheaper, but I've been like hearing about like endowment funds, so yeah, I want to look into that. I really do. And also now I think it's time to start thinking about trusts. So I want to learn about that, guys, and like share with I want to learn about that and share those learnings with you guys, as we're going through it, because I see so many US based content creators with like these different strategies, but they're American strategies in an American tax system and investment universe. So it's like different. So like I'm just trying to figure out, how do we navigate it here in South Africa? I need to actually, yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to navigate that here in South Africa. But yeah. I don't know, it feels like the economy is like turning. So maybe it could be like a good time, or let me say, maybe it would be a good idea not to divert too much of my monthly investment allowance into paying off loans, and like still dabble in the ETF side of things, because now I feel if there is a cut, sentiment will make shares and ETFs. Just, do that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you guys are doing. Are you picking names or are you picking segments, markets? I'm interested to know. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, let me know in the comments. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.